If you're seeing the Slack error Qce6Dfe426Ad, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into Slack as fast as possible. This kind of error is often caused by a temporary connection issue, a slow network, a VPN or proxy conflict, or even a browser cache problem. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page or wait and try again later. Sometimes this Slack error happens because the app or browser session just needs a quick reset. So go ahead and reload the page, then see if Slack connects properly. If the error is still there, don't panic. We'll move on to the next step. Next, check your internet speed. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger this kind of error, especially if Slack is struggling to sync data in the background. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run a quick test and see whether your connection is stable. If your internet looks slow, try moving closer to your router, pausing large downloads, or resetting your connection before trying Slack again. If the problem continues, switch your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try connecting through a mobile hotspot instead. And if you're already on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This is a great way to find out whether the issue is tied to your current network. In many cases, just changing networks is enough to make Slack load normally again. Another important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Slack can sometimes have trouble connecting when a VPN or proxy changes your location or routes traffic in an unusual way. If you have one enabled, turn it off completely, then restart your browser and try Slack again. This small change often fixes connection errors immediately. If none of that works, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Slack loading correctly. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security. From there, choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cached files, and if needed, you can also clear cookies for a fresh sign-in session. After that, close and reopen your browser, then go back to Slack and test it again. At this point, one of these fixes should normally resolve the Qce6Dfe426Ad error. The key is to work through them one by one. Refresh, check your internet, switch networks, disable VPN or proxy, and clear your cache. That sequence solves a lot of Slack loading and connection issues very quickly. If you want more easy tech fixes like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. And if this video helped you solve the Slack error Qce6Dfe426Ad, hit the like button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.